Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to download and install the PyCharm. So here you can go to Google and type PyCharm. Right? If you go to the if you type PyCharm, you go to this is the site. Right? So click on this. And this is a professional editor for writing the Python codes. Okay, so you can use this one. You can go over here. I'm going to download this one. So here I'm going to click download button. So this is the free one, community edition. You can click and download the free. This is the free. This is a professional one. So you can, if you want to get the professional one, it will be the Python ID for data science and web all things. You can get this the professional one. You want to pay this one. Here this is a community edition. It's a pure, right, pure Python developer. Okay, so here if you are using the professional one, you can develop the web development and data science, all things here they are mentioned, right? What is the difference between professional and community edition? As a beginner, you can download this one, PyCharm community edition. So this is provide the free. Click download the exe file. Here wait until the download is completed. As you can see, the download has been completed. You have to open the file, the PyCharm. Okay, so here before that we have to install the Python, right? So you have to type on the Google Python. Here we have to click downloads, right? So the PyCharm, before you have to download the Python, right? Python, which is nothing but editor. This is our software. Okay, Python. Okay, this is the latest version. Let's click on download them. So you can see the download is started, right? So download, you have to stop them. This is not this. Okay, so you have to select the version as Windows here, right? So Windows. So here you can check the corresponding operating system. Windows, here this one, Windows 64-bit. Click on this and download it, right? So if you don't click download it over here, okay, you have to select the corresponding operating system. There are different operating systems there: Windows, Linux, Mac OS, right? So select the Windows and get the suitable one, and you have to download them, right? After your download is, it's still downloading. After download completed, we are going to install the software. Now the Python download has been completed. You can see here. You have to open up the file. Here this is your software exe. You double click and install them, right? Right. Here you have to click install here. This one. Now you can see the installation has been completed successfully. You can, after installed successfully, you can go back here. You can type your Python here, the Python console here. You can get it here. You can see print. You can type it hello. It's working. Present key. It's hello is working. Right. So again, I'm going to print 3 to 4 plus 4. Present key. It's working. Right here. It will be working successfully. Now I'm going to go to install the PyCharm. I already downloaded. Okay. So you have to download. You have to go to download folder. You have to get download folder. Right, so you have to download folder. You have to go to download here this PyCharm. You double click on it. The setup is started. You click yes. Next, it's default to select the path. Okay, you have to keep as it is. Click next. Here I'm going. If you want to make a shortcut, you can click and make the shortcut on your desktop. I'm click next. Install. So wait until the installation has been completed. Now you click finish. Okay. Now you have click finish. Now I'm going to open up PyCharm here py, here this is the community edition. You have to open up. Here the community edition 2040, right? So this is the newest version. We have installed them. It is you have to wait. Right here, click. You have to accept the user agreement. Click continue. Right here. Okay, here we have to private or network. Yes. Right. That's the thing you have to write here. You have to import the settings. IntelliJ VS Code. You have to write here. We have to write VS Code. Import the settings. Right. I am going to import the settings from the VS Code editor, because it is very simple way to have to import all the plugin and everything. Okay, so here it's working. Right, it's working. Now if you want to going to create a new project, you can click new, click next. Now you can get this interface. Okay, so if you create a new project, so here you can say Python project. Okay, this is the folder default, it will be created. So here I'm going to create a new file. So select this one, right click new Python file. I'm going to name it as first app. First tab, press enter key on your keyboard. Here it will be created. So first tab .py, which is nothing but the Python extension. Py nothing but a Python extension. You have to type here first one. Print here. Its suggestion as print. Okay, this is one coming from our VS Code editor. Okay, so here click on this. You have to write here hello. Here you can click it. The hello has been printed. Right. So it is a 3 plus 2. Click on this. 6 has been displayed. Perfect. It's working perfectly well. Thank you for watching.